Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well and good. This video lecture is from Future Concern Grammar School, Sargoda.
Today we will learn about number 10. 10 leaves, 10 dolls and 10 glasses. Let's see how to write number 10. Make a small slipping line, then make a straight line from up to down and make a again slipping line like this. It's the 1. Now we will write here 0. Make a curve from up to down and make a curve from down to up like this. It's a 10. The number 10.
Okay students, I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.